Honey, are you ready? Yeah! Do I look good? You look perfect! Let's go! Christy, we have great news! We're getting married, and this is your wedding invitation! Good afternoon! We need a wedding dress! I like this one! I'll bring it to the fitting room. Thanks! I'll be right back. There's clearly something wrong with this dress. Oh no!
Oops.
Holly, what happened? Take this away! I'll pay for the damages. Who's gonna help my head? Holly, I really want you and Dad to be happy. We're gonna be besties. That was unexpected. Hi, Dad. Look at this. Kisses. Holly, what is it? Now I see. Look at Christy's lips. Thank you, Sherlock. Christy, explain yourself. Gotta go. She's so spoiled. Do you like this one? No, this model is old already. This? Let's keep looking. What about this one? Great choice. I hope Holly likes the present. She's gonna love my gift even more. Cut out printed pieces of an iPhone box. Attach them to a box that's the right size. Add elastic bands to two sides inside the box. Glue a cardboard piece to them. Twist the bands. Put in some flour. Hold the cardboard and close the box. Whoa! Is this for me? Let's see. Oh! What a stupid joke! Babe, don't I deserve a kiss? You're gonna get one! Open up! Here you go! It's not sparkling! Here you go! Wow! Cold shower! That's it! Holly is so silly! Hi! I'm home! Hello there! This is for you! Dad, are we going to the movies? Of course! That's the plan! My test! Oops! I'll get to it later! Christy, what happened? Show me your work! Dad, there's no need! No way! Look! What? Christy, that's the lowest grade possible! The movie is canceled! Stay at home and do your homework! She set me up! I want to go to the movies too! Baby, school comes first, then fun! Holly has nothing to do with it! Teenagers! If I'm not going to the movies, no one's going to the movies! Glue a printed hairspray label to fake snow spray. Color the cap. I'm almost ready! I'll add some hairspray. Oh no! Babe, you're like a snow queen. Here's a magical horn. Oh yeah, that's hilarious! Take the ticket. Girls, I'm sorry, but I'm going to the movies alone. Okay, babe, have fun. We're not gonna leave it like this. I agree. She'll regret it. Cake, cream, high five. Okay? Girls, the movie was amazing. Too bad you didn't come. Good thing you watched it. And we baked a cake. You are so caring. Thanks. Dad, you have to be more careful. I agree. It's so heavy. Christy, get ready for a nice surprise. Fill a Ziploc bag with water. Make 4 bags. Hide them in a pillowcase. Oof! What a day! What? Honey, Dad is here with an umbrella. Dad, you're crazy! Holly, you are definitely gonna love this pepper shade. And I'm gonna keep this. Melt red lipstick in a microwave. Add chili pepper. Fill an empty lipstick container with it. Let it harden. Some lipstick to look stunning. That's weird. It's burning, and my lips are bigger. Hi, honey. I love this maximizing lipstick. I can't understand what's wrong with my cheek. It's burning. I'll be back. And I'll post a pic with my plump lips. How does she do that? Christy, it's time to pay for all your tricks. And a hot glue gun will help me out with that. I'll glue all your perfume and lipstick. Teenagers don't need that much makeup anyway. My lipstick! What's wrong? The lipstick is stuck! I'm gonna… Whoops! At least it came off! What do I want? I know! Tyler, honey, bring me coffee with milk. I'm waiting! Here, babe. Extra hot. Try this. Cut circles out of pre-made sponge cake. Whip some cream. Fill a pastry bag with it. Assemble a cake in a paper cup, coating the layers with cream. Cut the cup. Take the cake out. Coat all the sides with cream. Roll out fondant. Cut out the right shape. Wrap the cake in it. Make it look like a cup. Attach a sugar paper logo. Fill the cup with melted chocolate. Put it on top of the cup when it hardens. Honey, now I want cake! Huh? It smells nice! It's a cake! Thank you, babe! You're a magician! Looks like I am! Magician! Ew! My wedding dress looks gorgeous! Holly, I need your help in the kitchen, right now! The oven is smoking! Give me a towel or an oven mitt! Oops. Let's take the pie out. Phew, we made it! That's my dress! Christy! And a little more. Great! Sweet dreams, Holly! Apply glow-in-the-dark face paint around the eyes of a sleeping mask. Soak the fabric with it. She's sleeping so tight. It's time for me to get some sleep. It'll be better with a sleep mask. Hey, what's wrong? What? Who's screaming? Where is my Holly? Tyler? Bad dream? Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us what prank you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.